Hey guys, this is SaberMach here once again. This is a very quick video instruction on how to use your Blackburn. So as you can see over here, there is a black switch over here. So in order to activate your Saber, all you have to do is to tap and let go. For the activation, of course you will get a flash and clash and all your different swing sounds as well. And to turn off, you just hold down. Now to go into your blade lockup effect, all you have to do is to tap 2 times and the Saber will be in blade lockup function. So you tap again to stop this, you tap and let go, you get your blaster block effect. And triple tap to color change. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So you can basically just cycle through the various colors that the Saber offers. And to turn it off, just hold down. Now to change your sound bank, once the Saber is turned off, hold down your activation switch. You hear the boot up sound and you can turn on again. Okay, turn off the Saber, hold it down again, and this is the third sound bank. And turn it off and hold it down again, and it cycles through the mute function. So there is no sound indication for this one, but just press and let go and you will be in your silent mode. So once you are done with it, turn it off, and if you want to go back to your sound, just hold on to the activation switch and it goes back to the next sound. Things to note for your charging, you will be over here right above your activation switch is your charging port. If you have to remove your blade, do remove just the top 2 screws right on top of your Saber. Never remove the rest of them, because these are your screws to hold on to the electronics of your Saber. And of course, the Blackburn does come with a machine aluminum COVERTEC clip, COVERTEC knob. This can be used as a functional clip on your COVERTEC clip itself. So yep, this is a very simple and basic RGB combat Saber for you. So once again, thanks for watching this video, and if you have any question, do leave your comment at the bottom, or you can email us at sales@sabermach.com, and you can purchase one of these Sabers from our website at www.sabermach.com. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys.